YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And in today's video, I wanted to show you how I apply lashes every day. Lashes just like these ones. Yes, just like these. How I apply my falsies every day. So if you want to learn how to apply falsies very easily, stay tuned. Back, you guys. Yes, I'm super excited to be doing this video. I wanted to share with you guys how I apply my lashes because it's really simple, quick, and easy. And I know for some it's a little difficult. So we're just going to get right into this. So first off, you're going to need some lashes. And I'm going to be using my Dodo lashes in 105. And they are right here. Then you're going to need some glue, of course, and the glue that I'm using is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe, and it's clear. And I love this glue because it has a little applicator for you to apply, so you ain't got to use too much, okay? And then next up, you're going to need some scissors, okay? So eyelashes are made for all types of eyes. So you want to size them for your eye. See if when you take the eyelash out, if it even fits your eye. If not, you would have to cut some off. Hence, that's why you would need the scissors. And you're going to want to cut off on the end, not on the inner corner of the eyelash. Because the inner corner has smaller eyelashes, shorter eyelashes there. So you don't want to cut there, okay? So I need to cut these because these are brand new, still in the pack. I have not used them yet, so I'm going to take these out. And usually how they're in there, this one's your right, this one's your left. So when you're looking at it, it's kind of flipped. So I'm going to take this one out first because I always like to do my right eye first. So I'm going to take the right one out. And I already know that this is going to be too long for my eyelash. So what you do is, sorry, it got stuck to my lashes, is you just kind of want to go up to where you would put it on the inner corner and see how much is hanging off. And I usually have about a ½ inch, so that's where I'm going to cut. And that's about right here. But these scissors cut. My daughter gave me some little ones. Then I'm just going to resize it again and make sure that I did cut off enough, and I didn't, so I'm going to cut off just a tad bit more. Okay. So now that that's all cut and sized for my eye, I'm going to take my eyelash glue and apply it. So I got that nice and open. As you see, it has a little applicator, and you just paint it on there. Paint it on the strip. And I like this because you can control how much you get on there. I always like to put a little more at the ends because, you know, it's the ends you need it to stay, honey. So I don't use any tweezers or anything. I just use my hands, as you can see, and I hold it in the middle. So, and just kind of let it dry, get a little tacky. You don't want it to dry all the way. Just want to get it a little tacky so when you put it on your eye, you don't have to do much because it's tacky. It's going to stick, and you just, you know, make sure it's in place. Alright. So, I'm going to take this and set that in the middle of my eye. You see? Just like that. And since it's tacky, it's sticking. And then I just stick the ends down. Just like that. You ever like took an eyelash out your, out your eye before? Anything of that nature, that's like the feeling that you get when you're getting really close up to your eye. Ooh. But there we go. She is on just like that, boo. Boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam. Super cute. So now let's do the other one. I'm gonna grab the end that I know I'm gonna cut. Sometimes it gets a little tricky coming out of here. So we got this, and I'm going to cut off just about the same amount as last time. Alright, so I'm just going to, size this up and make sure she's right for my eye. And boom, bam, she is. So now, just take our glue like we did before, paint it on, Just doom, 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 doom. Paint our little glue on. Wait for it to get a little tacky. Told you this is really, really simple and easy. Some people make it look very, very difficult. But if you ever, I mean, come on, ladies. We be putting stuff in our water line and lining our eyes. It's the same thing. If you can line your eyes in your water line, you can pop these on really, really quick. And it's easier to use your fingers. If I was to use some tweezers, I would be jumping back and going like this too, because it's like a tool. But when I'm using my fingers, my eye doesn't move. I'm not having that reflex to jump or jerk back. So now I'm just going to set this right into the middle, as you see. And it's tacky, so it's going to stick. Now I'm just grabbing the corner. I like using my right hand because I'm better at it to get in the corner. And just press it down. And same on the outer. I didn't even move the outer. I just pressed it down. Make sure she sticks. And that is the key. Just set her right in the middle. She's going to lay down just fine for you when she's tacky. And you just push in the corners. And that's it. Literally. So, I hope that you like this video. That's all I have for this video today. I just wanted to show you guys how I apply lashes every day because I don't want to sleep with my lashes on. So I take them off every day, honey. And while I'm getting ready in the morning, boom, 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 less than 2 minutes and they're on. It did take a little longer because I'm talking and doing so forth for the video. But in every day, it's just like boom, boom, on and go. And you can switch them up to any different styles if you have different styles, and just go with your mood and the flow and the look that you're going for that day. So I love wearing lashes. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.